Do you crave for a beautiful chicken stew that looks just good as the one you are seeing in the video, right? I got you. Because today I am showing you how to make a very delicious stew. I mean the one that tastes like that Christmas stew, that chicken stew we used to eat back then when we were a bit younger. This is what I'm going to show you today, okay? So look no further as we go into the... So for this we'll need some tomato paste, which is a mixture of onion, pepper and tomatoes. Then the chicken, I used local chicken here. Then our spices, which is a mixture of nutmeg, bay leaf, ginger, then some vegetable oil. Then into a pot, put your chicken. I use local chicken, so you can use broiler or whatever, okay? So just pour into the pot, then add your seasonings, which includes the bay leaf. I'm adding the bay leaf, the ginger, the garlic, depending on your choice, then the nutmeg. Add your seasoning cubes to the chicken and allow it to cook gradually. Add some salt also, okay? Do not add any water at this point. Just stir it properly and allow it to boil in its own juice for at least 5 minutes, okay? Then after 5 minutes, open it and add some water into it for cooking. I've forgotten to add onions at first, so you can add your onions before now. Don't be like me. Add the onions and allow everything to cook. This can take about 30 minutes under medium heat. Okay, thank you. Once cooked, it's time to fry our chicken. So into a hot pot, pour some vegetable oils and gradually fry your chicken. Fry in batches. You don't have to be that dry kakaraka chicken. No. You will lose the whole juiciness and the sweetness of it. Just make it a bit dry, not too soft and not too dry like tiko. So once you are done with the frying of the chicken, into a pot again, pour in some vegetable oil, add some onions and let the onions saute for about few seconds. This will bring out the aroma and the whatever it has. This will make your stew a very beautiful one. Like you can't imagine the whole scent in the kitchen at this point. Now stir up your onions and let it fry a bit, okay? So after frying for about a few seconds, then add your pepper mix. Remember, it's a mixture of tomatoes, pepper and onions which has been pre-cooked. This will make her cooking faster, and also the quality, the taste of your stew is highly dependent on the type of tomatoes and pepper you use. Use a fresh solid tomatoes. Don't manage. It affects the quality of your stew a lot, okay? So when buying tomatoes, go for the fresh one, freshest of them all. So add some water at this point and let everything cook together. You know what I mean now, okay? Then cover up and allow everything to just steam together for a few minutes. Cook your stew under low heat. Let it cook gradually at this, okay? And at this point, I'm adding my seasoning cube. After that, I'm adding some chicken stock to the stew on fire. Add some curry powder. I didn't add curry to the meat, okay? So once the stew is dry, add your chicken, You can see this is the last thing I'm adding to this stew. This add salt if necessary. Okay, this stew goes with rice, it with yam or whatever. So hope you are going to try this. I hope so. It is so delicious. Just follow my own method. You can cook it anyway, but follow my method, I beg you. Okay, so at the end of the day, I enjoyed this stew with some rice, some fried rice I have at home, okay, and coleslaw. And it's good for Sunday, it's good for Christmas, it's good for parties, whatever. So if you have watched to this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't get to miss any new video, as I'll be dropping new video every week. If you'll be trying this recipe out, leave a comment. Thank you and bye.